Hi everyone. Let's learn how to use the tabs block in aBlocks. Ready to organize your content like a pro? Let's go. First, open the page where you want to add the tab. Then, search for tabs and insert the aBlocks tabs block. It's that easy. Now that you've inserted the tabs block, let's customize it. Under the General tab, you'll find tab menu settings. Choose the menu position, top, bottom, left, or right, to place your tabs exactly where you want them. Next, adjust the menu alignment for a clean, organized look. You can also set the initial open tab, like starting with tab 1. Let's make your tab stand out. Toggle Show Title and Show Subtitle to display headings and descriptions for each tab. Enable Show Icon to include icons alongside your tab titles. Simple tweaks for a more engaging design. Now, let's style your tab menu. Adjust the padding for top, right, bottom, and left to space things out perfectly. You can also set the tabs gap to control the spacing between tabs. Don't forget to customize the menu color to match your brand's look. Set the background color for both normal and active tabs. Define the look of your tabs. Choose a solid, dashed, or dotted border style to match your design aesthetic. Smooth out the edges. Adjust the border radius, set it to 10 px or more for a softer, rounded appearance. Make active tabs stand out. Set a bold color for a sleek border that grabs attention. Add depth to your tabs. Apply box shadow for both normal and hover states, creating a stylish, interactive look. Customize your tab titles effortlessly. Adjust font size, weight, and style to match your brand's identity. Make your tab stand out. Pick a title color that complements your design, go bold or keep it subtle. Now, let's add some content inside the tab. Start by selecting the tab where you want the content to appear. Here, we are inserting an image block, uploading an image, and then adding a heading for it. We can now see the preview of creating a tabs with content. Want to save time? Click the aBlocks plus icon in the editor and choose a container layout. Then, click Import Template from the top left side. You'll find tons of Premade Tabs templates ready to use. Just pick one, import it, and customize it to fit your needs. Easy, fast, and professional. And that's it. Once you're happy with your changes, make sure to hit the Save button to keep your work. And here's a preview of your beautifully created tabs section in action. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips.